I try one working strategy on 3 different platforms to finally determine where to trade binary options. Be sure to watch the video to the end because it's going to be hot today. The strategy of trading with Bollinger Bands and Stochastic Oscillator involves using both indicators to confirm signals for opening positions in the market. So first you need to determine the trend in the market based on the direction of the Bollinger Bands. And if the price is above the middle Bollinger Bands line and the bands are extended, it can signal the presence of an uptrend. So if the price is below the middle line and the bands are narrow, it may indicate a downtrend. So what about stochastic oscillator? You can use the stochastic oscillator to determine when to enter the market. When their line crosses the line from the bottom to top and is in the overbought zone, usually above 80. So it can signal a buying opportunity. Conversely, when the line crosses the line from top to bottom and is in the oversold zone, usually below 20, and this may indicate a sell opportunity. So open a position in the market in the direction of the trend using the signals from both indicators as confirmation. Set stop losses when the target profit level is reached. So I will show you in details in our platforms just because please look forward and then yeah, of course, be careful when trading using sideways trend periods when the price fluctuates within the Bollinger Bands. In such conditions, signal from stochastic oscillator may be less reliable, so it's recommended to stay sideways or close position and wait for clarity in the market. And of course, before using live accounts, you need to use demo accounts to learn how these strategies, how these combinations will work for you, or maybe not. So that's because I really recommend you to use demo accounts firstly. And guys, I think it's time to go to our first platform, so let's start. So guys, here we are. First, our platform, it will be Quotex, of course. Today I'm using pretty similar currency pairs. As you see, there are 3 currency pairs with big percentage of payout. And also, yeah, today I will use in all 3 platforms the same strategy, the same combination of indicators, Bollinger Bands and stochastic oscillator. So let me not waste any time and look thoroughly to all graphic in the last few hours to see good entry points and really good signals. So let's see in our current situation also. The first concern for me is that the candlesticks are having pretty long wicks in the last few minutes, as you see, and anyway I want to challenge myself. Because the stochastic oscillator is showing me pretty good signals. So let's go with all in $50 and check the situation with call option. So first profit guys, and we're working with pretty cool signals from stochastic oscillator. As you see, I saw when the trade just started and there will be an intersection between 2 lines, between this one and the green one, and right now the situation is going up, but still just work with this red doji candlestick. So thanks to also Bollinger Bands corridor that was narrowing for a moment when the trade was going in my 1 minute time expiration. Okay, let's see what I will have in the next currency pair, New Zealand and Japanese yen. So the situation is pretty similar because of the narrow corridor firstly. And yeah, also the last few candlesticks are having long wicks also. Anyway, after this rising of the price, the situation just reached its peak and went down. But we need to see for how long this downfall of the price will be. Because if we look at stochastic oscillator, we'll see that the green line is laying on the level of 30, and that's because we need to be really attentive whether this candlestick is forming just for once or maybe situation is really changing. So let's have a moment right over here with our all in again. and I will check the situation with call option. And yes guys, I'm in profit again. So see, there are two we are working with this kind of situation where the bounce of the price just happened. So, and thanks to of course Corridor of Bollinger Bands, I saw that after this narrowing situation went a bit wider, and that's because we're working with this rising of the price for now. And then, as I mentioned to you before, stochastic oscillator was showing me also pretty good signals to go up for the next 1 minute. So let's have a moment in the next currency pair, in the last one, but I hope that not the least. So let's see what the whole situation will be, and while I'm thinking, I will change my investment box again to all-in. I think, yeah, I'm pretty confident in my next move. So that's because I will check the situation with call option. And again guys, pretty perfect from me. You see that after this rebound of the price, after this red dodgy candlesticks, situation went up with kind of narrowing situation, because yeah, the bears are working really hard. So, and I think the situation still overall will go down. Anyway, I just work with this developing wave, I can say, and just catch my moment. So thanks to stochastic oscillator that showed me that after a long time being in the oversold area, two lines went up, and mainly the green line was above the signal one. So yeah, you see that it's still going. So let's go to the next currency pair, to the first one with 90% payout. Okay, I'm really excited about it. So yeah, we're seeing a really good, clear reverse of the price over here also. Or maybe I can say, looking at the whole situation, maybe we're working with just volatile rising of the price. So let's see. That's because guys, I'm telling you that looking at the whole situation is really important, because I just made meditation from two perspectives. So that's why, let's see, I will go with $300. And I will check the situation with call option. So guys, I reached my area over here, and you see that combination of Bollinger Bands and stochastic oscillators working for me pretty clear, pretty good. So you saw that? Yeah, I mentioned you before that we're working with just a volatile situation, rising of the price. That's because I just work with this developing wave. So guys, let's go to the next platform, I guess. And guys, welcome back to Pocket Option platform. As you see, I'm using a combination of the same indicators, and also I'm working at the same currency pairs, right? And right now you're seeing that we're here with pretty volatile rising of the price. Yeah. Nevertheless, I'm really looking forward to getting my next $500. So you see that, yeah, we're working with pretty narrow and short situation. Nevertheless, I want to try myself. That's because I'm working again from $50. And I'll go with call option. So guys, as you see here right now, we're working with this developing wave again. The situation is narrow, and as I mentioned before, nevertheless, we're working with pretty volatile situation here, and as you saw, the stochastic oscillator also show me with this intersection that the situation will go up in the next few minutes. Okay, let's see what I will have on the next currency pair. And we will work with a New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen again. Oh, you see, like, just without zooming in, we see that the candlesticks are having long wicks right over here. It's always pretty difficult for me to work in these settings. Nevertheless, today I want to challenge myself with these three platforms. So there was a really narrow situation with the corridor of Bollinger Bands. And after that, the candlestick started to work hard. That's because I will do the same. So I will go with $96 and let's check this situation with call option. So guys, you see that right here with this developing candlestick. It was pretty difficult and risky for now. Anyway, we managed this situation. So I think it's really cool, amazing result. That's because I will go proudly to my next currency pair. Let's go. So guys, we're working from the first side with the rising price, and let's zoom out a little bit. And I'll just try. Oh, the situation overall is volatile, yeah. And nevertheless, we're working with this, I can guess, pick of the price, because I will check this kind of situation also with my all-in again. $184 in my investment box, and I will check this situation with put option. So guys, if you see that I'm working with this downfall of the price, and yeah, just catch my remote thanks to a combination of indicators. You see, yeah, that after this peak of the price, Bollinger Bands went down, the whole trend is on the bottom line of the corridor. All stochastic oscillator after this intersection in overbought area led down to lines, and right now they're in the middle of the corridor. Chilling, I think there will be an intersection in the next few minutes. So guys, let's see in our next visit. Right now, let's see what are working here, because the situation is pretty messy, and you see the candlesticks are having a long wicks. So the stochastic oscillator indicator is showing us that in this messy situation, there's a lot of intersection. That's because we're working with this sort of situation in the last 1 hour, and I will go to my investment box. I will change it to $300, and I want to check the situation with redemption. Guys, for now we did our aim, and I'm really happy, and that's because I think it's time to go to our next platform. So guys, welcome to the third and the last platform for today, Binoma. Right now, as you see, I'm using the same indicators, but still I'm using different currency pairs, because sometimes platforms offers us different settings. Nevertheless, I try to switch pairs perfectly. So that's because we're here with this cool currency pair with 8% of payout. Okay, really cool. And I'm here with the New Zealand dollars and Japanese yen. In the last few hours, we're working with downfall of the price. It's volatile, so let's see what I will have in our current situation. So right now, there's some rising of the price. We're working with downfall. Not really rapid because of these bumps of the price. Nevertheless, I want to try myself with again $50. And I will check this situation with redemption. So guys, I'm here with my first cool profit, and as you see, it was crazy looking at the stochastic oscillator. You saw that after this intersection between the signal line and the yellow line, the situation went rapidly down, and right now the yellow line is on the level, I guess, 50, and the whole situation is going down also looking at the Bollinger Bands corridor. So really cool. Let's have our time as the next currency pair. Yeah, again, from the first side, I'm looking at the downfall of the price, guys. Look at the stochastic oscillator, the whole situation in the last few hours in the oversold area. So really cool. Nevertheless, I need to be really attentive, because if we look thoroughly at our current situation, there will be again bumps of the price that are giving us wavy picture. So I will check my investment box with $90, and I will go with call option. So you see that we're again with our cool profit. You saw that I mentioned to you before that the situation is wavy. Yeah, the situation is wavy, and that's because I was just working with this developing wave. I can guess because the classical simulator is showing us that after this intersection between two lines, the situation went up. And right now, the answer of the lines are in the corridor, and still think overall situation will be downfall. Nevertheless, I catch my right moment, and I'm happy about it. So guys, let's go to the next currency pair, Australian dollar and Japanese yen. So see what I will have right over here. Guys, again, don't follow the price. It's really cool because I'm really liking it. And thanks to Binomo, it's giving me these situations right now. Again, volatile situation. And again, the last 15 candlesticks. 15 candlesticks are going down after this peak of the price. Nevertheless, looking at the classical oscillator, there is dangerous situation between two lines. There is an intersection. That's because I need to catch my right moment again. So let's go with our $162. And I will go with my all-in and I will check the situation with call option. So guys, almost $300 in the pocket already. So I'm really glad that we're having it, and nevertheless, it was really a sweet moment because of the Nervon corridor. So we see right now all three lines are here on this candlestick that is trying to change the situation, and stochastic oscillator was also showing me, yeah, pretty cool signals as I mentioned to you before the trade. So really curious about the trick situation. Nevertheless, let's go to the first currency pair. I'll check it again. I want to double my sum and what I can say. So, let's see. The situation is not really changed from our last visit. Nevertheless, we're here with this parallel green development candlestick. And firstly, I'll change my investment box to $290. And well, let me check it with put option. So guys, this is super fun. Anyway, I want to try myself again. So let's go again with our $290 and share the situation with put option. So you see that we're here with our M again. Guys, I'm really happy that this session ends with a happy ending. You saw that all three platforms. I did my cool session with these combination indicators, with these currency pairs. And I really hope that this video will help you a lot to understand where you want to trade or to start to trade if you're a beginner. And if you have some questions, as you go to the comments down below, ask me them and I will of course answer. And if you want detailed information about different kind of platforms, combinations of indicators, trading strategies, where I will share this useful information with my own free signals. So really welcome you there and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch my previous and upcoming videos. And let's meet there. So bye bye.